How are you guys doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make this simple landscape, and I'm sorry for my background noise, so let's get into it. First, add a new canvas. I'm going to use 1920 by 1080. Now go to filter and go to parallel gradation and select the gradation named sunrise red. So this is our sky layer. I'm gonna rename this as sky. Rename layer and sky. Now add a new layer, go to the eyedropper tool and pick a color from this background. Then go to special brush, select the lasso fill, this one lasso fill, and start to draw your first mountain in the background. Now add a new layer and rename the previous one as mountain number 1. I'm gonna go with M1. And the other one is mountain number 2, M2. Now go to the color wheel and choose a dark color than previous one, like this, and draw the second mountain right in here, like this. And I'm gonna repeat the same step as before 2 more times to add 2 more mountains, adding a new layer, renaming it, choosing a dark color and drawing the mountain 2 more times. Now we have 4 mountains in here. I'm gonna add a little bit of details to these mountains. So first go to brush and select the grass fern brush and draw some trees. Go to the M3 layer and pick the color of that mountain and add more trees. Now let's add some atmosphere to these mountains. To do that, go to M1 layer, add a new layer and clip it to the M1, then change the blending mode to overlay, like this. Go to brush and select the airbrush, then choose a brighter color like bright yellow, then add the atmosphere to our first mountain. Repeat the same step 3 more times. Go to layers, add a clipping mask to M2 and change the blending mode to overlay, then draw the atmosphere. Now merge down all of those clipping mask layers with the previous one like this. Now duplicate the sky layer, move it right here, turn down the opacity to 30. Duplicate the layer again, move it to here, duplicate again, move to here, duplicate one more time, move to here. Now go back to last layer and change the blending mode to overlay. Now I'm gonna add the main object to this artwork. To do that, go to brush and select the felt tip pen hard brush. Choose the white color from the color wheel. Then go to layers, select the M1 layer, mountain number 1, and select the opacity of that layer. Now add a new layer and change the blending mode to add. Now invert the selection area and draw the sun. Then remove the selection area. Then go to layers and reduce the opacity of our last layer to 30. This is our final artwork. Hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in a new video. Goodbye.